In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve on your computer. First, open your web browser and type DaVinci Resolve, then click on the official website, blackmagicdesign.com. Once you're on the site, scroll down the page until you find the free download button. Click on Free Download. You will see two options, DaVinci Resolve 20 Public Beta and DaVinci Resolve 19. Under the Public Beta section, select your operating system, for example Windows. After you click, a registration form will appear. Fill out your name, email address, country, and a few more details. Then click Register and Download. The download should start automatically. If it doesn't, you can click the manual download link. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer to start setup. Accept the license agreement. Pick your installation location if you want, and click Install. The installation might take a few minutes. When it's done, click Finish. You can now launch DaVinci Resolve 20 Public Beta from your desktop or Start menu and start using the newest version. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.